Hello, Quality Techies. You're welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be taking you through how to use GitHub Actions as your CI/CD tool. In our last class, we were able to check through how to use Jenkins to automate our test scripts. So for GitHub Actions, it's very unique because you don't have to rely on a third-party tool to run your test. So you run your test right inside your repository. So it's actually a powerful tool which has been developed by GitHub to ensure that you can build, test your scripts seamlessly. So let's just get it started right away. So in our last class, we were able to have the screen that you're currently viewing. So we already have our code, which includes the environment and the Postman collection. So in order to create a pipeline script, so what you do is you go to your root folder and create .github. Then right inside that folder, you create another folder. So let me just take that again. So you go to your root folder and you create a folder, name it .github. Then right inside github, you create another folder, name it workflows. In this folder, you go ahead and create a file. The name of the file is you can name it anything you want, but I've been naming it 80 ml extra reports .yml, so .yaml file. So that is that. Then after doing that, you go ahead and copy the YAML file. So what we have here, so you copy this. So you don't have to put all this in your head. So just what you need is to edit some parts there. So I'll take you through that in a moment. So you paste it here. So you have something like this. After doing this, you can go ahead and push. You can use, this is a shortcut. You can go ahead and create a branch, create a new branch, because you already have a repo in a GitHub. So you want to push a new change to GitHub. So it's always advisable for you to create a new branch. When that branch is stable, you get someone to review it so that it can be matched to the main repo. So once that is done, you have typed a commit, you have pushed to GitHub. So let me go to my GitHub so that you can have a view of the screen you should expect. So before that, so let me briefly explain the YAML file. So the name of the test API. So that's the title, the name of our test. So we want it to run on ubuntu-latest on cloud. You can put Windows, put anything, you pick the system to be run on the cloud. So actions checkout it's very important you put at version 4. Version 2 is currently deprecated, so you have to use that version 4. So this line or block of code, install node.js and set up node. So the node version we'll be using is 20. Then for this line of code, it installs Newman, and I know you're quite familiar with HTML extra. We discussed it in the last class. So it's just going through the installation, installing Newman and the reporter. So in this line, it's creating a directory named test results. So then this is our script. So at this section of the script, you could put the scripts that we applied in our previous class, where we have new man run, the title of our script. But what I wrote here is the full script. So this means that it will create a HTML extra report, and it will export the report and save it inside a folder called test result, and this will be the name of the file, html report.html. So then this will be uploaded in run report. So let's GitHub. You can see the title of the test API, which was what was specified here. Here you can see test API. So what you do, because we already specified here that when a push is done or a pull request, so when you push your code, the test will run, and you have something like this. So let me go ahead and run the job. We can see I've run like about 5 tests. So let me rerun the job, so you see. So all right, so the job is starting now. Is installing node, so it's executing all the block of code according to how it was specified in the YAML file. So yes, everything is working as expected. All right, so I think our test have failed. I'll try to run it again. Okay, still running. So I think everything is looking all good. So then you need to go to summary. So this is the run report. We have that in our file. So we earlier specified that this should be the part where the artifacts should be. So we have our test report there. The part is test results rather. So I can click this. Oh, all right. I can go ahead and download. You can download the report. Just have that. Okay, yeah. I already have one downloaded already. So let me download another one. So I'll go ahead and open it. So it's a zip file. So I need to search for the file. It has been extracted. Just a moment. I'd like to show you the file. So desktop, I'll go to my desktop in order to show you the files. Okay, let me just search for it. Okay, I have it here. You can see. So here is it. It has been duplicated and modified. Open it in Google Chrome, and you see this is a breakdown of our test. We have 60 assertion. You can see everything is all packed. So thank you for following me on this channel. I believe you should be able to try your hands on this, and please feel free to drop comments both on YouTube and on LinkedIn. Or if you have any issues, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.